Big day today. Two things. One, I have a cold. Two, we're getting the motor and trans out of the 80. I have a lot of it undone, unplugged, unbolted, pretty much ready to go. Let me go over that with you real quick. We got the starter disconnected, the shutoff valve, the cold start valve, the glow plugs, coolant hoses, airline, that was already broken, I didn't break it. The rear trans mount, that's disconnected. Basically, there's only a few more bolts and it's ready to come out. So I gotta take off the front mount here and the two side mounts. I'm gonna take the front mount off first and then take the two side mounts off. Now there's a few different ways to do it. I've seen people fish it out through the top, but the way I prefer to do it is just through the bottom. It's a bit easier. But the way I see it, do it however you want to do it. In my opinion, there's no real right or wrong for this, it's just how much work do you want to do. So let's pop these two out. Oh yeah. Now I want to try something new today. This is my 8th episode. All the big YouTube guys that I watch do a little bit of YouTube magic. I'm gonna try it for myself. I'm not coining it. I don't know who originated it, but I'm gonna see if it's time. Did it work? All right, so I'm gonna get the coolant out of there, the cardboard, the rag. I have it up in the air so that way I can drop the motor down and out. I gotta set up the engine hoist so that way I can drop it clean through. I'm gonna drop the motor on a little dolly so I can roll it around the garage and probably stick it out back. So let's get the engine hoist all rigged up and ready to go, and just like this thing out of here. I was trying to use the chain, but as far as I have to go down, I don't have a chain long enough to reach. So I grabbed my 1,000-pound ratchet straps because there's no way this motor and trans is 1,000 pounds, so I feel pretty confident with it. Plus, if it falls, it falls. I'm not doing anything with this motor anyway, and I won't be under it, so I'm not overly concerned about it. So let's try to get this thing out of here. successful few hours in the shop. All progress is good progress. Next weekend, the next video, it's not going to be Volkswagen related. It's still another one of my cars, and I'm real excited for it. But as you know, I'm always excited for anything car related. Speaking of, we just need to take a second and appreciate the 77. These 13-inch BBSs that I got from the slot meet, I can't get enough of them. I don't know if the N-Keys will ever end up back on this car. It fits the vibe too good. I love it. But I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks.